Hi everyone! Welcome back! Today, we're tackling a common car maintenance task, installing a tire pressure monitoring sensor, or TPMS sensor. It's easier than you might think. A faulty TPMS sensor can cause dashboard warnings and even impact fuel efficiency. So, let's get those sensors replaced and your tires back to their optimal performance. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a new TPMS sensor compatible with your vehicle, a jack and jack stands, a lug wrench, a tire iron or tire machine, a TPMS programming tool, optional but recommended, and some lubricant like soapy water. Now, safety first. Park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you'll be working on. Don't remove them completely yet. Next, use the jack to lift the vehicle. Place jack stands securely under the frame for safety. Now, you can fully remove the lug nuts and take the wheel off. Deflate the tire completely. This will make it easier to break the bead. Now comes the tricky part, breaking the tire bead. This separates the tire from the wheel rim. You can use a tire iron or, if you have access, a tire machine. A tire machine is much easier and faster. If using tire irons, work your way around the tire carefully, using lubricant to help. Once one side of the tire is off the rim, you can usually push the TPMS sensor out from the inside. Locate the old TPMS sensor and remove it. Note its orientation. Take the new TPMS sensor and install it in the same orientation as the old one. Ensure it's securely fastened. Now it's time to remount the tire. Lubricate the tire bead with soapy water. Using a tire iron or tire machine, carefully work the tire back onto the rim. Make sure the bead seats properly all the way around. Inflate the tire to the recommended pressure, which you can find on the tire sidewall or in your vehicle's owner's manual. You should hear a popping sound as the bead seats against the rim. If you have a TPMS programming tool, now is the time to use it. Follow the instructions specific to your tool to program the new sensor to your vehicle's computer. This ensures the system recognizes the new sensor. If you don't have a programming tool, the system might automatically learn the new sensor after a short drive, but this isn't always guaranteed. Put the wheel back on the car. Tighten the lug nuts by hand in a star pattern. Lower the vehicle and remove the jack stands. Use the lug wrench to torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. This is important to prevent them from coming loose. Repeat this process for any other tires with faulty sensors. Finally, take your car for a short drive to allow the TPMS system to register the new sensors. Check your dashboard for any warning lights. If the light is still on after driving a short distance, double-check your work and consider using a TPMS programming tool. That's it! You've successfully installed a new TPMS sensor. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful car maintenance tips and tricks. Leave your questions or comments below. See you in the next video.